Fat grafting is a very popular method and it's been used for the last 10 years, especially when patients are considering it as an alternative for silicone augmentation. So it works in the breast. Why can't it work in the face? Again, fat grafting is of different types. You have microfat grafting, which is done for the breast. You have nano fat grafting, which is very, very useful, especially when it comes to rejuvenation of the face. Under eye dark circles is one entity where a lot of patients are actually seeking solutions. There's not real proven clinical work on under eye dark circles, but fat grafting in the form of nano fat grafting is showing a lot of promise. And you'll be surprised that maybe just with 2 injections, there is a lot of improvement in the pigmentation. Along with that, you can also correct the volume deficits which happen because of aging. Not only for under eye dark circles, you can also use nano fat grafting for acne scars. You can use it in combination with microneedling, you can use it in combination with the Morpheus treatments, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of combination of treatment which can be used along with nano fat grafting. The single biggest advantage of nano fat is it's got regenerative stem cells, which can actually improve the quality of the skin. It can actually deregulate the pigment content of the skin, thereby causing a lot of rejuvenating effects on the skin. So nano fat grafting, along with other modalities, is the treatment which patients are considering. Patients may have depressed scars, they may have acne scars, and they may be very concerned about these depressions. And these patients are actually wanting to seek immediate solutions. You all know that some of the treatments can be done by fillers, but not everybody is actually willing to go through fillers because they know that it is more temporary. On the contrary, fat grafting, once injected, because of the rejuvenating effects, the results last longer. So it's a very popular treatment amongst our patients seeking non-surgical facial improvements. There will be a lot of confusion as to where microfat is being used and where nanofat is being used. Now, typically, microfat grafting is used for correcting the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines. It's also used for structural grafting of the cheeks. So these are the areas where microfat grafting is used. Now, wherever you want rejuvenating effects, especially when it comes to under eye dark circles, so it is these areas where we use finer cannulae and where we use the finest form of fat, that's the nano fat. So typically it's given in the eyelid skin, just below the skin, and can also be used to volumize a little bit because of the rejuvenating effects of the fat. You can also give it in the tear trough lines. So this is the area where typically the nano fat is given under eyes in the dark circle areas and wherever there's a little bit of body temperature. You can also use nano fat as a rejuvenating agent to actually build up the scars, to actually improve on the scars. So when you're wanting to improve on acne scars, so you normally do a microneedling or you do a Morpheus treatment, and then once the treatment is done, you can actually spray the nano fat so that the penetration of the stem cells gets into the skin and causes the rejuvenation.